Manually splitting logs is a labor-intensive chore. It consumes much of your time and energy. If you want to split firewood quick and effortlessly, an electric log splitter is what you need. The electric log splitter is a piece of equipment that cuts softwood and hardwood logs to use in a fireplace. Unlike manual splitters, electric splitters are far more convenient to use as they're robust and reliable. This outdoor power equipment might be small in size, but it sure is big in power. It's an excellent investment for homeowners, landowners, and most importantly for farm owners and small firewood businesses. Whether it's for commercial or home use, our team has rounded up the best electric log splitters to make your buying decision easier. As always, all of the links of our products in this review are in the description box. So if you see something relevant to your needs, make sure to click the link below. Now join us as we introduce the top 5 electric log splitters on the market today. Let's begin. Number 1 is the Homelite 5-ton electric log splitter. For some, chopping logs is a great way to exercise the muscles, but for others, it's a dangerous and challenging job. With Homelite's electric log splitter, you can split a large number of firewood without sweating. It has a powerful 15-amp motor, 2,320 pounds per square inch of hydraulic pressure, and a 21-inch long deck that'll let you slice wood like butter. Best of all, it's durable and rigid, so you can rest assured you're going to get the most for your money. This log splitter boasts a 5-ton ram splitting force that can easily cut logs up to 20.5 inches long and 10 inches in diameter. With this splitting force, you can split tons of firewood in a short time. It's helpful when you need to stock a woodpile but have limited time to do so. The 20-second return cycle enables you to get more work done as it promptly resets the splitter. It also works quietly. Unlike other electric log splitters, you don't have to worry about bothering noises. It's electric powered, so all you need to do is plug it into an electrical outlet or generator when you're in the woods. The Homelite 5-ton electric log splitter is compact and portable. It's 20 inches deep, 39.5 inches tall, and 12.25 inches wide with a weight of 105 pounds. It comes with rear tires and front legs that are suitable for handles. Your hands and fingers are safe with the two-handed operation that requires you to use both of your hands to operate the hydraulic control lever and the on and off switch. There's also a handguard on the hydraulic control lever to protect you against splinters and other hand injuries. Homelite is an American power equipment manufacturer. If you want a reliable splitter that will last year after year, this 5-ton electric log splitter by Homelite is what you need. At number 2 is the Wen 56207 6.5-ton electric log splitter with stand. Ever have a problem about cold starts or clogged carburetors? Well, it's not unusual with a gas splitter. If it's your first time buying a log splitter, then this product from Wen will spare you from the fuel delivery problems as it's 100% electrically powered. With a powerful 15-amp, 2.5 horsepower motor, you can easily cut logs up to 10 inches in diameter and 20.5 inches in length. It produces more than 13,000 pounds of wood cracking pressure. Equipped with a 6.5 ton of ram splitting force, the 14.75 inch cylinder stroke, a 16 square inch push plate, and a 5-inch wedge, this product easily cuts even the hardest logs. The 20-second cycle time quickly resets the splitter so you can quickly cut another piece of wood. It features the two-handed operation to ensure your safety in every use. As stated earlier, this product is electric powered, so it's free of carbon monoxide and other toxic emissions. The Wen 6.5-ton electric log splitter will help you transform logs into firewood without exerting too much effort or energy. You can install the 34-inch stand to elevate the cradle from the ground or attach the wheels to the body of the splitter. Whether you assemble with or without the stand, operating the splitter is undoubtedly easier. It also includes a pull handle and two never flat 5.5-inch wheels so you can conveniently transport the equipment anywhere you need it. A 2-year warranty backs up this electric log splitter. Taking our third spot is the Sun Joe 5-ton electric log splitter with hydraulic ram. If you're looking for a splitter that you can use at home, indoor or outdoor, the electric log splitter by Sun Joe is what you need. This product is perfect for home and light wood splitting use. Its powerful 15-amp motor produces 5 tons of splitting force. With that splitting force, you can easily cut 10 inches by 25-inch firewood logs. What's more is it has durable steel construction that's tough enough to last for years of use. With its long-lasting structure, you can cut tons of firewood to keep your family warm and cozy when the winter season comes. This splitter also has safety features such as an overload circuit reset button and dual-handed safety switch system. The 2 additional features ensure that you'll be safe while using the machine. That way, you won't have to worry about any accidental injuries. It uses 120 volts of electricity, which means you can run it off a standard household circuit. The Sun Joe 5-ton electric log splitter with hydraulic ram is ETL inspected and approved. It comes with 6-inch wheels for easy portability and an ergonomic grip handle for a more comfortable hold. You can use this product anywhere you need as it only measures 39 inches deep, 18 inches tall, and 9 inches wide with a weight of 92 pounds. Not only is it easy to move, but it's also easy to store. Its black and green color finish with the printed Sun Joe logo makes it more appealing to the eye. This product is backed up with a full 2-year warranty from the manufacturer. Did you like the 3 electric log splitters we've shared? If you did, click the link in the description box to catch these great deals at our special offer. If we missed the product you need, keep on watching as we still have 2 more splitters to reveal, and one of them might be the one you're looking for. Before we proceed to our next product, tap the bell icon and subscribe to us for more product reviews that'll help make your buying decisions easier. Now let's continue. At number 4 is the Earthquake 5-ton electric log splitter. Gone are the days when you have to worry about running out of gasoline to fuel your splitter. This product is electrically powered, so you don't have to worry about harsh fumes or toxic emissions. It's ready to use with minimal assembly required. All you have to do is plug it in a socket. This splitter uses 120 volts of electricity, which enables you to use it off a standard household circuit. Fueled with a 1.7 horsepower, powerful 15-amp motor, the wood cutting job has never been more comfortable with this product. It can cut logs of up to 20 inches in length and 10 inches in diameter. The 21-second cycle time lets you cut wood much faster. It's perfect for indoor or outdoor home use as it operates quietly compared to the gas-powered splitters. The Earthquake 5-ton electric log splitter is built to last for years. It comes with sturdy steel wheels that are wear-resistant. What makes this model stand out from among the other electric splitters in the market is its rubber-coated handle that's easy and comfortable to grip. This handle is placed precisely on one end of the machine for hassle-free moving. This product does have an altitude limit, so it's best to avoid using it at 3,200 feet above sea level or more. This 5-ton electric log splitter by Earthquake is 37 inches deep, 20 inches tall, 11 inches wide, and weighs 99 pounds. Finally, at number 5 is the 5-ton horizontal electric log splitter by Dirty Hand Tools. The search for an impressively durable and reliable splitter ends with this product. It's equipped with solid 16-inch flat-proof road wheels that help you move the machine anywhere you need it to be. Also, compared to other splitters, you can plug this product into regular household circuits using a 6-foot grounded 3-prong connection. Its 25-second down and back cycle time allows you to split tons of wood in just a short period of time. This model has a powerful 15-amp, 2-horsepower motor that produces a maximum of 5 tons of splitting force. It runs efficiently on 120 volts of electricity, meaning you can use it off a standard home circuit. With the splitting force, you can easily cut logs of up to 20 inches long and 10 inches in diameter. What's more is it comes with a built-in log cradle that's handy in splitting lots of different types of wood. It has 2 gripped handles so you can easily carry it anywhere you need or store it after use. The Dirty Hand Tools 5-ton horizontal electric log splitter is ready to use with hydraulic fuel added. It even has a generous 2.8 quarts of hydraulic capacity. The machine measures 13.5 inches deep, 20.5 inches tall, and 43 inches wide with a weight of 105 pounds. Its additional specs include a 2 1/4 inch diameter by 15.2 inch stroke cylinder, 2,300 maximum PSI, 1 stage pump, 4.5 inches of high heat treated steel wedge, and 3 1/4 inch by 5 1/4 inch beam. A 1-year limited warranty backs this electric log splitter. Well, that concludes our review of the top 5 electric log splitters in the market. Whether you're an avid camper, someone who loves backyard bonfires, or simply a homeowner who has a fireplace to keep burning during cold summer nights, the splitters we shared in this video will help you stock up your firewood quickly and hassle-free. We hope our video helped you decide which splitter suits your preferences. If it did, please click the subscribe button for more product reviews and to become part of our growing community. We also do all kinds of videos like this for different types of products, all aimed to provide you with the best selection of products to make your buying decisions easier. So don't forget to tap the bell icon for more updates. Also, please let us know what you think about our video or if there's a product you'd like us to feature by writing it below. As always, all the links to the products in this review are in the description box. So if you want to find the best prices and more information, make sure to click the link. That's all for today. Thank you for watching the ReviewTube channel.